In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on PayPal. Keeping your phone number up to date is really important because PayPal often uses it for security checks, verification codes, and account recovery. If you've got a new number or you're losing access to your old one, you'll want to update it as soon as possible so you don't get locked out. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in, and this will take you to your main PayPal dashboard. This is the page where you can see your balance, recent activity, and any notifications. Make sure you're on the official PayPal site by checking the web address starts with paypal.com and that the connection is secure. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, usually next to the logout option. This gear icon is your settings button. Click on that to open your account settings. You'll now be on a page that shows different sections related to your profile and account information. Look for the area that shows your contact details, including your phone numbers. There should be a section labeled for phone or numbers. In that section, you'll see your current registered phone number or numbers, along with an option that says Change. Go ahead and click on Change. On the next screen, instead of immediately replacing your current number, PayPal requires you to add the new number first. This is a security measure to make sure you always have at least one valid contact method on file. So look for the button that says Add New and click on it. You'll now see a form where you can enter your new phone number. Start by choosing the correct country code if it's not already set, then type in your new number carefully. Double check for any typos because this is the number PayPal may use to send you verification codes. When you're sure it's correct, click on Add Phone Number. After adding it, PayPal may send you a verification code by text or call, depending on your region. Enter that code if prompted to confirm the number. Once it's verified, you can return to your phone number settings and set this new number as your primary one, and then remove the old number if you no longer use it.